Okay, how to change the backup battery in a 2 gig Go control system. This is the battery that needs to be replaced. You can get these from your local alarm company or you can get them online. So first thing you have to do is take off the screw at the top of the panel. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Little screwdriver, Phillips head. Pull the panel from the top and lay it down. Little plastic holder goes on this little slot right there and the panel can hang. Then you'll take the little battery lead and you'll pull it out. Get you a little flathead screwdriver. Come down on the bottom here. Pry it out a little bit. Once you get the battery out, grab another one, pop it in. Take the little battery lead. And you're going to want to snap it in. Once it's snapped in, put the bottom of the panel in first, then slide it on the top, close it up, put your little screw back in, then you're done. Until next time.